Hello friends, today's topic is about proteoglycan, glycoprotein, mucoprotein and glycocalyx. All these four are the molecule, and what about the composition of this molecule that we will look in this video. So how you will remember this proteoglycan, glycoprotein, mucoprotein or glycocalyx? Simple, you would remember glycan means carbohydrate. Proteoglycans means it is containing two type of molecule, protein plus carbohydrate. Glycoprotein, it is again showing the same thing, carbohydrate and protein is present. This muco word, that is also for the carbohydrate. So mucoprotein means it is also containing carbohydrate plus protein. Now glycocalyx, so that glyco, that is also showing that carbohydrate is present in this molecule. So this glycan or glyco, that is indicating this carbohydrate molecule is present. But how you will remember about the composition of this particular molecule, how much concentration about this carbohydrate and protein is there? Simple, you have to remember whatever the word at the end that is in a major concentration or major proportion. So proteoglycans means main molecule that is of the carbohydrate, and some protein molecule is attached over the carbohydrate, so it is called proteoglycan. So whatever word at the end, protein, so protein is a major proportion in this molecule of glycoprotein, and some carbohydrate is attached over the particular protein molecules, so it is called a glycoprotein. So if carbohydrate concentration is less than 10%, that is called a glycoprotein. But suppose carbohydrate concentration is more than 10% or somewhat more than 10% over this protein molecule, then it is called mucoprotein, because consistency, depending on that consistency, the name of molecule is differ, that is mucoprotein instead of the glycoprotein. Again, this glycocalyx, that is particularly present over the cell membrane. So whatever the carbohydrate present over the cell membrane, that is called a glycocalyx. So proteoglycan, so when the carbohydrate chain means glycan means carbohydrate chain is attached to a polypeptide chain means proteo, then it is called a proteoglycan. So here carbohydrate concentration which is at the last word in this whole word of proteoglycan, that glycan at the last, so you have to remember it is major proportion means more than 90% of the carbohydrate molecules are present. But if carbohydrate content is less than 10%, then it is glycoprotein, because major portion of the protein, and in this word protein at the end portion. Further, carbohydrate content is more than 10%, but it is somewhat lower, then it is called mucoprotein, because consistency that is changing or somewhat related to the mucus variety. Glycocalyx, so it is particular molecule which is present, a carbohydrate group cover the entire surface of the cell membrane, and then it is called a glycocalyx. So that is the difference between proteoglycan, glycoprotein, mucoprotein and glycocalyx. So you have to keep in mind, wherever the word glycoproteins means protein that is in the major proportion, and carbohydrate, some molecule of carbohydrate is present attached over the protein molecule. Proteoglycan means glycan that is about more than 95, carbohydrate that is more than 95%, and some protein molecule that is attached over the particular carbohydrate molecule. So that's all about the mucoprotein, glycoprotein, proteoglycan and glycocalyx.